A very good morning, students of class 12. Well, today I am going to start a new chapter, alcohols, phenol and ether. Well, let me tell you one thing before I start this chapter. This chapter is very important from organic chemistry, and you can expect a lot of questions from this chapter in your exam. So let's begin without any delay. Methods of preparation of alcohols. The first method that we are going to discuss is method of preparation from haloalkane. So Rx represents a haloalkane, R represents alkyl group, X represents halide. When heated with aqueous KOH will give you a primary alcohol and Kx. I told you X represents a halide group. Next we take bromoethane C2H5Br. When it is heated with aqueous KOH we get ethanol and KBr. In the next reaction we take 2-bromopropane. When it is heated with aqueous KOH we get a secondary alcohol. Yes, a 2-degree alcohol, which is propan-2-ol and KBr. Okay children, now you can see what I have written on the board. Bromoethane, when treated with moist silver oxide, which is actually silver hydroxide, will form ethanol plus silver bromide. Next, iodomethane. Yes, iodomethane when treated again with moist silver oxide, which is actually silver hydroxide, forms methanol and silver iodide. In the third reaction, you can see I have chosen a tertiary haloalkane, but when it is treated with aqueous KOH will give 2-methylpropene and KBr and H2O. Why? Because dehydrohalogenation is taking place. Well children, this is a new method of preparation of alcohol by reduction of aldehydes and ketones. You can see the general formula of aldehyde, RCHO. CHO, you know, is the functional group of aldehyde. When it is treated with sodium dissolved in ethyl alcohol or lithium aluminium hydride or sodium borohydride, then we can say aldehyde is reduced to form primary alcohol. You can see in the next reaction I have taken acetaldehyde, or IUPAC name ethanal, treated with hydrogen in presence of lithium aluminium hydride, forming ethanol. Well, let me tell you the function of lithium aluminium hydride. Lithium aluminium hydride is actually a complex salt. It is a coordination compound, and its main function is to reduce the organic compounds in laboratory. Yes, it is a very strong reducing agent. It is used to reduce organic compounds. And in the third reaction, you can see I have taken a ketone represented by RCO, R dash. CO is the functional group of ketone treated with hydrogen in the presence of sodium dissolved in ethyl alcohol or lithium aluminium hydride or sodium borohydride, forming a secondary alcohol. Okay, the example that I have given is propan-2-on. It is an IUPAC name of acetone. It is treated with hydrogen in presence of lithium aluminium hydride or sodium borohydride, forming propan-2-ol, which is a secondary alcohol. The common name is isopropyl alcohol. The next method that we are going to discuss is by reduction of carboxylic acids and esters. Well, you see the general formula I have taken RCOOH. Well, let me tell you one thing, students. COOH is the functional group of carboxylic acid. When it is treated with lithium aluminum hydride, it forms alcohol. Similarly, acetic acid, when it is treated with lithium aluminum hydride, forming ethanol. Well, students, the method that I have shown right now is the method of preparation of alcohol by reduction of esters. You can see the general structure of ester. I have drawn R, C, double bond O, single bond O, R dash, treated with lithium aluminum hydride. As I have said earlier also, lithium aluminum hydride is a very good reducing agent, or you can take sodium dissolved in ethyl alcohol. Will give you, of course, the same product, an alcohol. In fact, a mixture of alcohol you will get RCH2OH plus R dash OH. For example, you can see in the you can see in the next reaction I have taken methyl acetate. When treated with sodium dissolved in ethyl alcohol, you got a mixture of ethanol CH3CH2OH and methanol CH3OH. Then you took ethyl acetate treated with sodium dissolved in ethyl alcohol, you got 2 moles of ethanol. Well, students, a new method has been discussed from Grignard's reagent. By reaction with aldehyde, ketone and ester, formaldehyde will give a primary alcohol. You can see the structural formula of formaldehyde which I have drawn. The IUPAC name is methanal. When it is treated with methyl magnesium bromide, which is in fact a Grignard reagent, in presence of dry ether, it is forming an addition compound which on acid hydrolysis forming a primary alcohol, for example ethanol and MgOH-Br. Next, students, number 2, all aldehydes other than formaldehyde give secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol means a 2-degree alcohol. So I have taken acetaldehyde. I have given the structural formula of acetaldehyde. You can see CH3C double bond O H plus CH3 MgBr, which is a Grignard reagent in presence of dry ether, forming an addition compound, and which on acid hydrolysis forming isopropyl alcohol. It's a 2-degree alcohol. The IUPAC name is propan-2-ol. Alright, number 3, ketones will give tertiary alcohol. Ketone, as I said, the functional group is C double bond O. I have taken acetone. The IUPAC name is propan-2-on, and treated with methyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether, forming an addition compound which on acid hydrolysis forming tertiary butyl alcohol. Thank you, students.